Want to know how to share internet on your Galaxy A57 but don't know how? Stay tuned to this video and I'll show you step by step. I'll be showing you two different methods. The first method is for sharing the Wi-Fi connection you're currently connected to. The second method is for sharing your mobile data from your phone carrier, from your SIM card. So let's go into the settings icon. Once you're in settings, tap on connections, then tap on the connections option, tap on Wi-Fi, and now on the right side of the Wi-Fi you're connected to, tap the settings gear. Tap on this eye icon, enter your phone's password, and here you'll see the password for the Wi-Fi you're connected to, okay? So you can give the password to whoever you want and share the Wi-Fi password. Going back, you'll tap on this option, and here you'll tap on Hotspot. Once you're in here, you can change the network name and you can also change the password. Then tap the save button. So turn on this option, tap to turn off Wi-Fi, and now you've enabled internet sharing from your SIM card. Your friends should look for this network name and then enter the password you set here so they can connect. So that's it for today's video. I hope I was able to help. If I did help, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comment down below, and if you can, subscribe to the channel for more videos.